Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the poem In Time of Silver Rain. So, first we are going to read this poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain, the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. In joy beneath the sky, down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. In the poem, In Time of Silver Rain, the poet wants to tell us how rain adds the beauty to everything around us. The poet says that water droplets are shining when they fall from the sky because of the sunlight, and they look as if they are silver in color. So the poem says that the rain is a in is the rain is silver in color, that is silver rain. Okay, the poet says that because of rain our planet gets a new life after the harsh and scorching summer. Means in the time of silver rain the earth puts forth new life again. Means our planet gets new life after the harsh and scorching summer. The dried grass and pale flowers regain their lustrous color. Means they became green everywhere. Everything became green in the rainy season, or in that silver rain. The return of different colors of nature light up the lands and leave us in wonder of beauty of life. Means everything in on the earth become new or become beautiful because of the rain. The poet says that as the rainbow forms in the sky, all of you know that when there is a rain and sunlight at a time, there you can see the rainbow in the sky. So that the poet says that when there is a rainbow in the sky, the butterflies, what they do, what that butterflies do, the butterflies also spread their wings. When there is a rainbow, the butterflies also spread their wings and begin to fly. And when they begin to fly, it looks as if they have caught the radiant colors of the rainbow on their delicate and soft wings. Means when there is a rainbow in the sky, that butterflies, what they do, they spread their wings and started to fly. And when we see those butterflies, it look as if they have the colors of that rainbow where on their delicate and soft wings. The leaves of trees that fall in the autumn grow back and spatter of raindrops of them makes it seem as though they are singing. Means here poet says that the trees put forth new leaves to wing. The poet says that the leaves of trees that fall in the autumn grow back and the spatter of raindrops seems as though they are singing. Rain has its impact not only on flora and fauna but also on the people. Means rain has its impact not only natural things, it also has impact on people, human beings also. The poet says that when you walk down the road, young boys and girls also pass you by cheerfully singing and enjoying the rain. Means that poet also says that the Boys and girls also enjoying that rain. They are walking down the road and they are enjoying the rain by cheerfully singing. When they pass by us, they are singing.